AI is changing the world at lightning speed. It can write essays, drive cars, even create art. But here's the big question. Will AI take all our jobs? The answer is no. Because some jobs need something that no machine can ever replace: the depth of human creativity, empathy, and instinct. In today's video, we're diving into 5 jobs that AI will never replace. And trust me, number 5 will surprise you. AI can help draw blueprints, but it can't dream the way architects do. Think about it. The buildings we admire most, from the pyramids to the Burj Khalifa, weren't just designed to function. They were designed to inspire. Architects blend creativity, culture, and foresight to shape how future generations will live and interact. AI might crunch numbers, but only humans can design with soul. Sure, AI-powered robots can assist in surgeries with micro-precision, but healing goes beyond cutting and stitching. Surgeons bring empathy, reassurance, and trust, something no algorithm can replicate. When a patient looks into a doctor's eyes before surgery, it's not just about the procedure, it's about faith and human connection. That human bond, irreplaceable. When disaster strikes, decisions need to be made in seconds, with emotions, ethics, and unpredictable human behavior in the mix. Crisis managers thrive under chaos, making judgment calls that no AI can truly calculate. Machines process data, but people lead with intuition, creativity, and the ability to rally others in the darkest moments. In short, they don't just manage crises, they save lives. This one's ironic. AI will never replace the people who create and guide AI itself. Why? Because no matter how advanced AI gets, it doesn't understand morality, fairness, or human values. Ethical AI developers are the guardians, making sure that technology serves humanity instead of controlling it. Without them, AI could easily spiral into dangerous territory. And here's the curveball. Comedy. AI might write jokes, but it can't deliver them with timing, body language, or the raw energy of a live performance. Stand-up comedians thrive on unpredictability, reading the room, adjusting on the fly, and making people laugh in ways no robot can, because laughter is deeply, beautifully human. So there you have it, 5 jobs that AI will never replace. But now I want to hear from you. Which of these do you think is the most irreplaceable? Or did I miss a job that deserves to be on this list? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and share this video with a friend who's worried about AI taking over their job. Because remember, the future isn't about humans versus AI, it's about humans and AI working together.